Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can record supplier issued credit notes on QuickFile accounting software. So for example, if I have received credit note from supplier for damaged goods, then to issue credit note or allocate credit note to a particular invoice, I need to firstly access my list of all supplier invoices, so show all purchases. Here I have received a credit note from Fashion Limited, so click on this entry, so particular entry for which you have received credit note, and under more options you will be able to record credit note. So click on credit note, add the supplier reference number, so I have credit note starting CRNF 5678. Select the credit note date based on credit note's information, and I have received a credit note for product 2 for £168. So I can delete this above line. So I have received partial credit note. Click Save Details. Now this pop-up message states that £168 of a credit note will be allocated to this supplier invoice. So that means that my payment due to the supplier will be reduced by £168, and click Save. So this is credit note from Fashion Limited with this credit note number provided and also refund date. There is a note that this credit note has been made against this purchase, which is my system purchase number. When I click on it, I can see that my supplier invoice are credited in part, so from 368 originally, I only due £200 to this customer. If I go to purchases list, I can see that when I click on the 368, 200 is only due for a payment. So in this episode, I showed you how you can record supplier issued credit notes on QuickFile accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my QuickFile tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.